Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I can show you how to add photo to contact on this phone. Firstly, open your contacts, find the contact you want to change the icon, click on the edit button, then just click edit button, then just click on the contact photo and click remove it. Then click add photo, and now you need to take a photo or choose photo from gallery. I want to take a photo, so I will take a photo, and by clicking on the OK button I can choose the size of my contact icon and click save. And that's it. As you can see, photo was successfully changed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.